Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we look at the public resolution of international disputes. How do we resolve international disputes using public methods? Now, we know that disputes arise in business, and resolution of those disputes is governed by a legal framework. Now, what we have learned is that parties increasingly choose alternate forms of dispute resolution. But if the parties don't choose an alternate form of dispute resolution, the parties must litigate this dispute. That means they must go to court and litigate the matter. They must file a lawsuit and have a case heard in a legal system. So in this lecture, we're going to look a little bit at the procedure for resolving disputes in a court setting. Now, I'll tell you in advance that this is a very complicated area of the law, and we are going to treat it very superficially. So I will tell you what you need to know. You will not need to know more than what we cover in this lecture. But keep in mind that it's a very complicated area of the law.